Hello friends, welcome back. My name is Harshal Kakade, and today I'm going to show you how Windows 11 looking. And what are the Windows 11 features as compared to Windows 10. Before going ahead, I would like to share some of the hardware requirements shared by Microsoft for upgrading your Windows to Windows 11. So to install Windows 11, your device must need to have a processor of 1 gigahertz with more than two cores, and it should be a 64-bit compatible processor. Then RAM requirement is of 4 GB or greater. Then minimum storage required is 64 GB, but I would say it should be way more than 64 GB because additional storage space might be required to download updates and enable specific features. Then there are like some display related requirements as well. So your display should be 720p display, 9-inch or greater monitor will be advised, 8 bits per color channel. So that will be again one of the hardware requirement. Then when you want to upgrade your Windows 11, internet connection is must because Windows 11 Home Edition requires an internet connection and a Microsoft account to complete device setup on first use. So now let's get started. Let me show you my screen and how the Windows 11 looking. So I'll share some of the features which I have explored over the time period. Windows 11 basically released on 5th of October 2021. So today is I guess 22. So it's almost 17 days before Windows 11 um, has been released. So let's get started. Let me show you how my Windows screen is looking with Windows 11 now. So this is how the Windows 11 will look like. The new design and sounds on the Windows 11 brings a fresh look and altogether a very good twist to the operating system. Then the all new start menu brings a whole new use case on Windows 11 basically. It has been repositioned to the center of the screen to provide a fresh perspective on users content. Okay, then there is one new user action center, sorry, like this. So wherein universal media control also provided separately so that you can control your media from here. Then new context menu. This is how the new context menu with rounded uh, new context menu and rounded corners gives a pretty look to that context menu. Earlier it was said that Windows 11 is not going to have this refresh button, but it looks like they listen to the feedback from the user because we all are very good. We all are very much habitant to use this refresh button most of the time. So they have added the refresh button as well. One of the interesting new addition, or I would say it's existing addition only, the snapping of the snap layouts. You can easily snap the applications. Let's say I have this website open, or let's say I'm opening new notepad. Okay, notepad file, and I can easily snap it with Windows and left button, so it snap to the left side of the screen, or I can snap it to the, let's say I can snap it to the top left corner or with the arrow keys basically. So that is also one of the very big good feature, snapping feature. So if you observe the snapping area, it shows the four uh, it will showing the four corners. You can snap four different applications in that basically, so that it gives a user very good experience to work simultaneously if he has to refer some data from another application and something like that. So that's again one of the very good feature. Then modern file explorer, if you see, they have changed the file explorer altogether, the view basically. So if you have like I used to create these PPTs, so it's very easy. So now if you I can change this view very differently, like large icons, so that this will give a different view altogether. Then medium icons, then different basically, and I can group by, let's say, date modify. So it's already there. These features are all together there, but the look and feel is really cool now, I would say. And I must say I liked it very much. Then the most important thing I guess with Windows 11 is that the Android app support. So if you observe, there are like this Candy Crush saga. We all know that we like to play the games. So you can it has given the support for Android applications. So that's you don't need to use your mobile now to play your games. So you can directly use this your laptop and you can play the game. So that's how they have provided the support for Android apps. Then one of the cool feature which I would say I like that they have changed the settings. Um, so let me find where the settings is. I did find it earlier. Yeah, here. Okay. So if you observe, they have changed the user interface for settings as well. They have given a very cool view for that as well. So there is a different setting panels you can do, like my it is already my like you can pair your Bluetooth devices, the network and internet connection. So this all settings are very good actually. Then different personalization, they have given new and cool looking wallpapers and theme to apply. So it was there in Windows 7 or Windows 10 as well, but this is something looks very pretty when we set it to the desktop. So that's how the new settings app they have provided. One thing I liked most is that voice typing. So this is something which I can really look forward for using. So for voice typing, what we need to do, we just need to click hit this command win plus h, which I found. So like if I say win plus h, it will altogether bring up this listening tab and it will start typing here. Okay, all together. So as I said, so it will listen everything and it will start typing here. Okay, so now as I am recording this, that's why it might not be typing, but it might be typing on other, like if you see it has started typing. It shown some lag, but it can be used, and I believe in next their releases this lag might not be there and they will definitely work upon this feature. But this is one of the cool feature which will be used widely, I believe. Then screenshots, yeah. So we can also take screenshots nowadays very easy. You don't need to use or open that what I used to do snipping tool basically. So there is a direct command like let me write down for you Windows. So I'm also used to get to it actually. So I've just started you searching for different commands or shortcuts they have provided. So you just need to do Windows Shift and yes, then it will ask for you draw a shape to create a snip. So you can just select it and it will create a screenshot for you. So it must have copied in the clipboard. So that also you can use. Then there are emojis as well. So if you are typing something, so you can directly open the emojis like Windows and period, so Windows and dot, so it will open new emojis as all together. So they have given different emojis because we know we all use we are very fond of having chats on WhatsApp or messengers or everything. So these we do use these emojis very frequently, so they have provided all these emojis on a laptop itself. So that's very cool actually. Then Windows 11 will also introduce widgets and small graphics app that's provide information at a glance. Like let's say, let me show you. So here it is a widget one, so it will give information about weather. Then if you are very much of watching matches, so it will showing T20 World Cup, what is happening with that. So at one glance you are getting all the information handy. Then if you are like interested in markets, what's happening, so it will give share. So if you are interested in shareholder, or if you are a shareholder, then you can get all the information like Tata Motors, how it is behaving, ITC is down by 3%. So you are getting all these things. You can create a watch list as well, and you can add your interested shares, and it will give easy look. Then it will also give you your photos, like it will share memories, so you can view through those photos, different photos actually, basically. So that's how it is basically. So these are different widgets you can add. There can be added new widgets as well, as and when you want, so you can use that as well. So it looks like a mobile screen altogether. So we used to use different widgets on the mobile, but you can use widgets on the desktop as well now. Then one of the I guess important addition they have done is that the application teams. So normally in all the IT companies, we are using this Teams application for chatting or file sharing or video calling. So that's inbuilt given with this new Windows 11 upgrade, and that's, I believe, will be widely used as and when people will start upgrading their Windows operating system. So I'm already using it in my organization, and this is really cool when we get to communicate our team members. So I believe that will be widely used as well, one of the feature. Then one feature of, that's not an important application, but why I got to know about this, because my son used to use this application Paint. He used to draw. He used to use my laptop for drawing, making some drawing and something like that. So they have given a altogether new look to the Paint application as well. So there will be many more features with this new Windows 11 upgrade. I'm still exploring it. So if you find any other feature as such, please let me know in the comment section, and I'll definitely uh, try to see it how it works basically. So that's it for now. I believe I have covered whatever I have learned so far. If I get to know, like, I'll definitely try and out to put more features about Windows 11 in the comments and in the other video as well. Thanks. Bye.